Continuing with our example, our database example, let's first create our database, school info, and then the tables. Now, here I am going to use Microsoft Access. So I already have Microsoft Access open. And now I want to create my database. Let's see. What's the name of my database? School info. All right. So blank database. Go on to the right side. School info. And I can decide on my desktop. There we go. Create. All right. We are in our database. And let's see what we have here. Tables, let's X this smaller X here. All access objects, you see you have tables, queries, forms, reports, right? Everything we've talked about so far. So what we want to do, we did database. Now let's go to our tables. So I have two tables to create. All right. We have students table. Good. Create and look tables here. I'm going to table design, right? Because if you remember, the first step is to design the table. We have to design the structure of the table. And we have to identify the field names. Field names would be our table headings in the database table. All right. Let me just move this on his side so that I can type at the same time. Field names. Student ID is what we came up with. All right, student number. No, student number. And then I'm just going to put first name, surname. So I'm just going to type over everything that we identified in our example. Okay. Now, let's see what else I have to do. The data types, right? So student number should be a number. First name text, surname text, home address would be memo. What else we have here? Email is text, that's fine. Contact number is a number, that means no dashes. Oops. Um, form is a text, and date of birth is a date. They have date slash time. Okay. Format, I could check the format on that and make sure it is short date. Good. Okay, next thing is we said we have primary key for our student number. So I need to make this a primary key. In the gold box to the side here, right click, primary key. There we go. Nice, and I could put PK there. What else do I need to do? That's it. Form, you know what? I could restrict this if I want. Because forms are what? 1, 2, 1 dash, 2, 4B, things like that. So 3, restricted to 3. So 3 letters, 3 characters are the most you can type in for form. Okay, good. So let's click on the little X here, close table. Yes, I want to save the changes. And name of my table is students. Click OK. And look, my table is here in my database. Great. Let's get to my second one. We know how to do this now. Create table design. Let me just scroll down here. We're doing parents now. So parent ID. Okay, nice. Now we need to do our data types, and this is a number, and this is also a primary key, so let me put that in one time, right? Contact number. There we go. Contact number should be number and no dashes. Memo. Relationship is text. Yeah. Oh, I could put what the type of relationship is. Title. Let me just copy and paste. Yep, there we go. And primary contact. This would be a yes or a no. So yes or no. Nice. Let's X that. Yes, we want to save. And this one is called parents. There. Tables. Done.